First, you'll notice that we have to make sure that this is on. So we press the on button, and it comes on 0, 0. Alright, the first thing that we have to do is we have to measure the actual mass of the beaker. Alright, so now we're going to want to zero out the actual beaker. So therefore we can take the beaker out and begin to do our experiment. Alright.
You will use the pipette. Now, you place it in the water and you use the bulb to get the water. And when you look at it, you read it, and there's a meniscus in the pipette because the water molecules are attracted to each other and therefore they go towards the walls. Like, where's my finger? Oh, yeah, over there. So you read it from the bottom of it, and when you do that, it is 5.8, and then you subtract 5.8 from 10, and you get 4.2, and then you put it in there.
What about the 4.2?
Initial is 5.8, and final is 10. And then you take the beaker and you place it into this. You open it first. You place it onto the balance. Then you close it and you record the mass, which is 73.073. Oh, this is a graduated cylinder, and we will be pouring the blue water into it and measuring from there.
First, I'm going to zero it out, and I'm going to put this in here like so. And as you can see, it is about 115.2, and we're going to record that. Okay, I'm going to pour the blue stuff in the graduated cylinder. So now I'm pouring my blue stuff, pouring it, and just a little bit more. And so it's about right 31, and we're going to record that. And now I'm going to weigh this, the graduated cylinder inside here. We're not going to close the thing because it won't close, but as you can see now, the weight is about 144.8. As you can see, we're going to record that too.
First, we have to make sure that our beaker is dry. After we make sure our beaker is dry, then we can put it in here so we can find the actual mass of the beaker and go ahead and zero it out. Alright, as you can see, the beaker is 68.9. We're going to record that. We're going to record the beaker is 68.9. Alright, and then we are going to zero this out.
Now the zero's popped up. I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to measure, I say at about 20. So as you can see, that's about 20. That's about 20. So now I'm going to weigh this now. And I'm going to, and it's about 11.6, and she's going to record that.
As you can see through our documentation, the pipette seems to be more accurate. And throughout the whole documentation, the closer you got to the pipette, the more accurate it was. As the pipette was only 4.2, it ended up being 4.1. You know, it's about the same, you know. So there we go with that. And that concludes our project, so we're done.